What's going on, mother truckers? So we have this video right here that Jason from Rolling for Time, you could catch him on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. And basically he was in Williamstown, Kentucky. And this heavy hauler, this oversized load, just kept on passing people and actually passed him at 70 miles an hour. Now, here's the thing. He catches this truck driver not paying attention, and then at the last moment looking up and trying to catch himself and save himself. And this is just so scary, it's so dangerous. You know, Jason was on scene, and luckily he was able to be the first responder to the truck driver and just make sure he's okay until the ambulance and the police and actually a helicopter came down to pick him up. You know, all I have to say, mother truckers, is we show this raw footage to let you know, please stay off your phones. Please, you know, if you're an oversized heavy load truck driver, you probably got years of experience. And so it's not always just these new truck drivers that are not paying attention. It's everybody.
Damn. Damn. So what's going on right here is basically I have went up to him, assessed him. Eyes are kind of rolling back in his head, and his feet is really, his legs are broken. So I'm backing up the truck because there's a lot of diesel leaking out from the tanks. The batteries and everything are really on the ground. He has been talking to the lady. This is actually another pedestrian that had stopped after the wreck. So she's on the other side of the semi parked. She's explaining to me that he's saying that his chest is hurting real bad, and she cannot get his seatbelt off.